Are you aware that businesses without effective enterprise forecasting lose not just money, but valuable time, up to 30% of revenue annually? How much is your business losing? At Findability Sciences, we offer the solution to these challenges. Our AI-powered enterprise forecasting transforms decision-making, delivering accuracy, efficiency, and strategic insight. Whether you're in manufacturing or pharmaceuticals, our solution is tailored to your industry's needs. Imagine reducing downtime on your assembly lines or optimizing drug production cycles with precision forecasting. For instance, one of our manufacturing clients reduced production downtime by 25% and minimized excess inventory thanks to our enterprise forecasting tools. In the pharmaceutical industry, another client enhanced supply chain efficiency by 20% and ensured timely compliance with regulatory requirements. But how do you choose the right AI use cases? And more importantly, how do you accurately estimate their ROI? Findability Sciences' GenAI-powered ROI Calculator makes this process simple. Our dynamic models consider factors like scalability, integration costs, and projected revenue increases, delivering accurate, tailored ROI estimates. This tool empowers you to identify the most valuable AI projects and ensures that every investment is backed by solid, data-driven insights. Findability Sciences, empowering you to forecast the future and secure your success today. Visit Findability Sciences.